just doing a little thumbnail. Today I'm gonna be cutting open this stress ball. What? Choppers, right? So there it is. I got my new scissors because this is for school. I cannot. We named her. What's her name? Bam Bam. So we're in the bathroom right now because this is the only good spot that we only can do it at. And because our sister cousin, yeah, slime. So yeah. So I'm gonna be cutting it open. Just cut it open. What? Can you dump it out? Oh wait, let me make a big hole. Don't touch it! It's hold it. It's slime. Oh, I'm here with Isabel. Hold this up. Yeah, I know it's up. I told you that. Here, take it out. I'm scared. Why are you scared? I'm scared because what happens that it's stretchy and it's breakable. Okay, hold the camera then. Hold the camera. Look, guys. That is weird. That's so weird. Is it pokey? Guys, it's poking. What are you doing? Let's see. Guys, okay. Look at that. Here's the little balloon thing. It's really stretchy. Is it stretchy? It's a stretchy ball. We have a lot. Oh my god. Hold this again. I have to take out these out. Okay, guys. This is really stretchy, breakable, and squishy. It's not slow rising. I want to say slow rising. And buttery. You know what it is? Butter slime. It's jiggly. Jiggly. It's like putty. It's not putty. Well, it's a little bit like... Ooh, it's sticky. It's a little bit like slime, but it's different, right? Because look, guys. Slime doesn't be like breakable like this soft. It's okay, guys. I will be cutting it down. That means I will be cutting out whatever she says. Okay, guys. Okay. Stop making so loud, right? Like pokey, but when you poke it, it's all the way at the bottom. I can't believe it's slime. I thought it would be like is it? It's not pink. It's orange. Orange pink. Ew, okay, ready? Wait. Is it stop? Hey, stop it! That is so cool. It's not. Let me see if it's fluffy. What are you doing? Uncle's gonna fuss at you. Oh. It's jiggly. Okay, hold it. Oh, it sticks to your hand. Do y'all see this, guys? It sticks to our hand. Okay, ready? Let's see if it's fluffy. It's not fluffy. Hold on. Not that fluffy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, guys, so we just added like water in because it was too sticky. Can you take out your hands? And you can see it's really gooey. Popcorn too. Pop say don't eat Ew, guys, look. It's like all gooey. Okay, hold up, guys.
Looking for what?
Yeah?
What do you want? Clean up I was going to say no. I have total value anyway for my application. And guess what? I'm going to... Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, you guys. Walk to the